Today, Tyson Foods, the Goliath of meat and poultry, told us they're challenging Beyond Meat, the David of Versette's burgers. Tyson's rolling out their own plant-based alternatives, and you got to wonder if a tiny money-losing operation like Beyond Meat can stand up to them. The answer? It depends. Are we talking about Beyond Meat, the company, or Beyond Meat, the insanely hot stock? I think Beyond Meat, the company, is the real deal. CEO Ethan Brown and his team have spent 10 years developing the ideal plant-based burger. You could almost forget it's not real meat. And he's willing to put his product to the test it against any others, all comers. Do it right here. I know I initially misjudged the love for this product, which was like Tesla, and that it gave Beyond Meat a huge cult following right out of the gate. Now, on Squawk on the Street this morning, I questioned whether Tyson has the DNA to match Beyond Meat with its new, what's called, raised and rooted plant-based offerings. Don't get me wrong, I've been behind Tyson for ages, even when it wasn't that good. Ever since I figured out that the millennials can't get enough protein. Stock has lately been a fantastic performer, aided in part by the swine flu epidemic in China that's bolstered the demand for their pork. Still, I think Beyond Meat is the upper hand when it comes to fake meat. I'll see Tyson in the plant-based chicken nuggets category, which is huge. I bet the stock will get a boost when the company struts its stuff at the analyst meeting next week. But actually beating Beyond Meat is another story. I grew concerned when Tyson cashed out of the 6.5% stake in Beyond Meat before the IPO. How could they misjudge the stock so badly if they weren't also misjudging the whole category? Could they be like McDonald's, which at one point owned 90% of Chipotle, but then spun off the rapidly growing Mexican chain for a pittance because, well, later on we heard they viewed it as a distraction? However, after doing some more digging, and yes, speaking to Tyson, I have to admit that there might be more to their latest initiative than I thought. Why? Well, this morning, the analysts were talking about blended meat products from Tyson, something I think could be just, you know what I mean? Tyson plans to actually unveil their 100% plant-based burger, and they have a lot of faith in the thing. Second, their distribution and scale are unrivaled. Third, the demand for this stuff is so strong, I'm betting Tyson and Beyond Meat can coexist in this category. This is explosive. Of course, we haven't had a chance to taste Raised and Rooted burgers yet. Raised and Rooted burger, please. While I like Beyond Meat, I prefer the Impossible Burger, and I eagerly await the new entry from Nestle, having had the old entry that I didn't care for. However, Impossible uses genetically modified ingredients, just GMOs, and I worry that that could be a big no-no in this business, particularly among the millennials who care about everything that is like everything. That was really well said. So let's wait to taste what Tyson has to offer. We know Beyond Meat stock has flown way too close to the sun, so maybe Tyson can bring the share price down. But Beyond Meat, the company, face it, it's here to stay. Peyton in Georgia. Peyton!
Well, this is her dad, Jeff. She has her own investment account, and she would like to ask you a question.
Sure.
Hey, this is Peyton. I'm 11 years old, and I live in Georgia. I wanted to know about Kroger. I want to know if I should keep it or sell it.
Well, first of all, I mean, can I just say that I've had a long couple of days, and Peyton is a breath of fresh air my day, and I'm glad you're following the stocks. This is a tough one. Because you're 11, I'm going to have to say no. I think you should sell it. Why? Because you have your whole life ahead of you. You should be buying a stock like a Dexcom, something that's just got multiple years ahead of it. Buying something that's really, really got an NVIDIA, something that I would tell you has a bright long-term future, because you got a lot of time on your hands before you ever need the money. All right, and Peyton, thank you. Peyton from Georgia, excuse me. Tyson's move into the alternative meat space is a wait-and-see situation. It may be able to bring Beyond Meat stock down, but not the company. Hey, on Mad Money tonight, Capri Holdings may have fallen from grace, but is it only up from here? I'm assessing. Then I found a couple of stocks in the sweet spot of a raging bull market. Don't miss my take. And a key conference took place this weekend. I'm getting some highlights from the CEO of, yes, there we go, Dexcom. So stay with Cramer.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.